Welcome back, folks. Today I'm going to show you how to change your gaskets, your injector gaskets on a 08 to 13 Chevy Silverado. Okay. You're going to need is an 8mm. I've already replaced mine. I'm just going to walk through the steps because I've seen rare videos of people working on these year model styles trucks and just ain't all over the internet. Not too much of it is. I mean, I'm gonna walk mine through this build on the 2010 I got going on. I'm gonna put a stage 2 BTR cam in her and headers and more to come. You got 4 8mm bolts here you have to take out. Like I said, I've already done mine. I'm just gonna walk through the steps of it. One here, one right there, and one also there. You'll be able to pull this whole fuel rail off, and it'll lift all your injectors up. You'll be able to pull them right on off there, and you need a pick or something if you're choosing to pop them gaskets out of there. But set that right out the way, pull it right up. And you will want to put some Lucas oil or some kind of oil you're choosing on this, because you don't want them gaskets to come loose. And like I said, I've already replaced all mine, as you can see. I've replaced all these gaskets on this intake plenum already. I'm just waiting on this block to come back and we'll have this build on the go. But yes, and you'll just take a pick and you'll pick them off there. Take them off there, put you some new ones on. You can find them kits on eBay, anywhere of that nature. I found mine on eBay for like $89, and it's really crazy for a kit, you know, gasket sets. $89 is pretty cheap. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay tuned.